Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is listening to life. What is Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ trying to say to you? It's time to boost you to the next level. It's time to excel to the next level. That's why they want to give you these words of wisdom, these downloads. So it's time to open up to your prayer life, meditation life. Also, walking out to the elements, and as we ask for, what is it for me to learn? What is your message? Use both ears and listen. Listen to what the wisdom is going to be, and then take it and use it. I'm attentive to the world that is around me, all the signs, the synchronicities. Have you been feeling deja vu? Have you been seeing 111, 222, 333? This is the language of the universe, of the Almighty. As we have English, Koreans, French, Spanish, these are our languages. But the language of the universe, the language of God, that is numerology. So learn numerology as you learn your language, and then you can learn to communicate and understand the new messages and the, let's say, deja vu, or the times where something's trying to get to you. You'll be able to understand what the message is. Signs and symbols guide me to success. I listen and discover my way to the eternal, my higher and better self. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.